Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data isn't working on Samsung Galaxy A25. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on about phone. Now here scroll down and click on status information, and then here click on SIM card status. Now here set the signal strength as shown in the video, and then go back to settings and click on general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset, and then here scroll down and click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm, and then enter your lock screen password here.